dun, since feeling ko ako, nung pinagdaanan ko to, nung sa 20s ko, dun ko mas na-acknowledge yung mga childhood traumas ko and all, you know, yung parang what makes me me, parang nababalikan ko na siya na parang bakit nga ba ako ganito mag-isip? Kasi nangyari nga pala sa akin yun nung childhood, kaya din siguro ako ganito mag-isip. So, yun yung mga time na, yun, nagdudwell ako about that. And, sinulat ko to kasi, gusto kong i-comfort yung sarili ko na okay lang na right now in your 20s, you're forced to acknowledge who you are, but at the same time, you need to also grow up and, you know, go out to the world. Alam mo yun, yung parang nasa bahay ka, umiyak ka, pero pagdating mo sa work, ganun, di ba? I think the world doesn't give so much space for us to, alam mo yun, to just take it slow for a bit. And that's why I wrote the song as a comfort to myself that it's okay if you haven't figured it out yet. It's okay that you're lost right now, but you're still doing it anyway. It's okay that you're lost and you're scared. But you're here and you're growing, diba? And that's the brave step, and that's all you need for you to move forward. And that's what this song is about. And it's actually also about my family. My sister is here from Moisha in Europe. And yeah, this is my first time playing piano. Sabi ko nga, sino ba may idea nun? Ate Pauline?